Making Hunger Games? Oh, yeah, Minecraft?
Hey guys, it's me, CT.
I'm gonna play Black Ops Zombies.
We were making a Hunger Games and you can see that big tower over there. Yo, Big Rod, do you wanna stay in here until we start our Hunger Game? Because guess what? I'm gonna troll everybody in the game. Guys.
Hey, everybody, recap. My name is Ryan, and I have videos on YouTube.
Yes, he does. He has how to make a flamethrower. He has families. He has a family video. Well, I don't know how much because I haven't been on his channel for a year. Yeah, he makes a lot of Black Ops 2, and I'm only 14. I am only a 14% good from this big. I don't know. We're building a Hunger Games. This is gonna be. We're only 14% done, aren't we?
Yeah.
We have like a lot to go. Evo, Giva, Apple, Oh shoot. Hello. I see you. And not your surprise. Givo, Giva, Apple, I'm gonna give you a preview. Dun, 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 dun. Wait, CT. CT, I'll show you a preview. CT, go in your spawner, and I'm gonna put the tornado sirens on, okay? Forget the preview. No, I'm just saying it for my subscribers. Mato Fato Gentleman. What? Get in there. It's a troll. We're trolling. What the heck? Nothing good. Nothing good. Period bag. Bro, you scared? Alright, Grant. You better be scared.
How are you?
Good.
What's new?
Nothing.
Nothing. Are you Summer again?
No.
How come?
Just we're really busy.
With what?
I don't know. It's a lot of stuff.
What have you been doing?
Nothing.
Alright.
You're so funny. I miss you.
I miss you too.
Aww. I love you.
I miss you.
Have a good day.
Mm-hmm. What is going on? So guys, that is the end of the video.
Dude, it's raining.